Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the US dollar yen, I'm zoomed out on the 4-hour time frame because I wanted you to see that this to me does look like a WXY pattern, which potentially could be a end of a correction on the higher time frames. If it is the end of a correction, then this will not only take out this low, but over the next, several weeks to maybe several months, they will take out all these lows, making likely lower lows and lower highs on like the 4-hour to daily time frame. So we definitely should have a short bias as of now. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, we still don't have a breaker structure up. This is the most recent swing low right here. So this right here is our structure level. If it breaks above that high, then either two things are happening. It's either making a pullback to the last 5 waves down, or this is not a wave wide, it's going to keep on going up. So if it does break that high right there, I would potentially think about getting bullish again just in case it does continue up. But honestly, what I think is going on here is I think this is an A, I think this is a B, I think maybe it could pop up a little bit more, grab this structure level, maybe reject structure, and end up continuing down. So for me personally, I'm definitely still on the short bias, looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.